What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan, Shoe Man, and I've got another unboxing today. I don't get too many Yeezys, but this is another one. This is one of a couple that just dropped, and this is the one that I wanted to go for, and luckily out of just like 2 or 3 attempts on Confirmed, I was able to get it. Yeezys are even more available now than Jordans are. By the time you will have seen this video, you will already see my mall vlog. I just recorded the intro and the outro, whatever, to that, or conclusion, to that video, and I think you will have seen that one already. There's Jordans sitting everywhere. You don't see Yeezys sitting on shelves in stores, but they are pretty easy to get. So pretty much everything I've gone for recently on Yeezy, except for slides, and no, except for foam runners, because you may not have seen my I spent a week at the beach with Kanye video, but foam runners are not quite as easy to get. Before we go any further though, I want to give a word from my sponsor. I was reading in his word the other day, and this one came up, and I had a connection to something else in my life. So this is Psalm 119, verse 105. Your word, and a lot of people would have heard this, your word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. We don't use God's word, I don't use God's word nearly enough as a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. Why? I think it's because we just go through the motions so many times in life. We've been through the same things, and if we're not having trouble and having a hard time, I just don't do it. And I think a lot of people don't either. But again, I'm gonna talk about myself because that's what I know. I just don't do it enough. When I get in my truck, I plug my phone up to my car and to my truck, and I can see Google Maps on my screen. And even if I'm driving to the mall, I just drove to the mall today, it was 18 minutes away. I push the button to take me there. I think maybe when I drive to church, it's only like 6 miles away, 4 miles away, 5 miles away. I don't. Yeah, it's about 5. I don't, because there's really only one way to get there. And if I go that way, because this is why I do it, I know that there's several ways to get to the mall. I know that there's several ways to get to church, but I want to do it because what if there is traffic somewhere? What if there's an accident? And I can know it ahead of time, and Google Maps will say, no, you need to go this way. Because like I said, there's 3 or 4 ways that I can get to the mall, and maybe even more than that, and they're all about the same distance. So I do that because what if something is going on, and I need to, and I can be alerted ahead of time and know the exact direction I need to go in way ahead of time. And I need to apply that to my use of the word, so that it's a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path, just like my GPS is when I'm in my car. So that spoke to me, and when I read that particular verse in some quiet time I had the other morning, what does that mean to you? There's a bunch of people, and you probably will have already seen this video, maybe not. Just got back from Wave Camp earlier this week, and youth camp with the church, and I know there's a lot of people subscribed now from that hopefully will comment down below and talk about Psalm 119, verse 105. All right, this is the shoe. I haven't had a 350 in here in a while. Haven't really been any that I wanted to go for. I still have the only 350 that I still have is the blue tint in size 12 that I got in the raffle at Wish Atlanta, and it's too big. So this is a size 11 and a half, and I think it's my size. I don't think I'm gonna like this better than the, what's it called? I don't think I'm gonna like this one better than the blue tint, but you know what? Let's give it a try. This is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 HQ 450 4540 Onyx. I don't have a cameraman today. All my kids are gone, so we'll have to settle for no cameraman. Onyx, straight black. I felt like these have been more popular in the past, the straight black. I think it was Bone that came out, or pure white, I'm not sure. It was a mostly white one. I don't think it was exactly white, but this is all black. And it's a 350. For some reason, the prime knit feels really, really thin right here, and I don't recall that from other 350s. My blue tints are up there, but I don't think I'm gonna pull them out. Just in case you're wondering, the new 350s all come with a paper string, like twine, not plastic. It's supposed to be better for the environment. So in case somebody tries to sell you a new 350 that doesn't have this string, it's got plastic, watch out. See that this is just your regular old, ooh, I don't think this is as good of an insole as before, which is unfortunate because the reason why I like Yeezy 350s is because they're so comfortable. But you can see all the boost down here. It's probably going to be as comfortable, but I got to admit, I'm not a fan of this. What do y'all think? I like 350s, but this just doesn't do it for me, unfortunately, because I wanted another 350 I could actually wear. I haven't been able to find a 350 in a size 11.5 that anybody want to trade for my 12. So I'm still sitting on my 12 and not wearing it, sitting on it, not wearing it on my feet. Hoping to get one that I'd want to wear, and this ain't it. Smells nice though. So let me know what y'all think about this. Out of the two that recently came out, which one were y'all going for? Which one did you want? Which one of you would you have preferred? Should I have gone with the white? I had the one that was more of a sail color that color changed in the sun and turned kind of pink and brown. And I actually really liked that one. It was a size 11 though, it was a little too small. I think I traded that at memory lane for something. And because I didn't think I was gonna wear it, but I thought I was gonna be wearing the blue tint. So I kind of shouldn't have got rid of that one, I guess, because I did like that lighter color. The pure white though, the all white, I was a little worried that I didn't want to get it dirty. And like I said, I felt like there was more demand for these. So if I didn't like it, I'd be able to resell it more easily. I'm hoping that's still the case. Haven't really looked at anything on StockX or anything like that recently. So whatever. But hopefully I can get rid of it because I don't want it. I may keep this for the 2,000 sub by the time we have the 2,000 sub giveaway. So whoever wins the second place prize could pick this shoe. This is, again, is a size 11.5, Yeezy 350 Onyx. Got a lot of stuff here. Got more boxes here. You won't be able to pick this one. You'll see this video soon. Maybe able to pick some of those. These are Jordan 4 infrareds. I think I want to keep one for myself. I don't think I have one already out here for myself. One of these is a Jordan 9 that I haven't opened yet that I'll make a video on soon. You probably would have already seen that by the time you saw this one, which also could be in the giveaway. But the 2,000 sub giveaway is coming up really soon. The time that I'm recording this, I don't know when you're going to see it, but the time I'm recording this, there's 1,927 subs. Just got a couple at the mall when I went to pick up the Penny one, which you will have already seen. There was something else I wanted to say and I can't remember, and we're just going to have to forget about it. Hopefully I'll put it in another video. But I really have fun making these videos for y'all, and I also enjoy the fact that I can bring y'all a little bit of the word in a place where there isn't much of it. And I've been told before in YouTube comments that I'm lucky. I feel like there's some pride in me that wants to say I've gotten good at getting shoes. Like, I know how to work the system a little bit. I'm not doing anything shady or anything like that, but I know how to get my best chance at getting the shoes. But I think the only reason I know that is because God's given me the discernment to know it, and then he also gives me the favor to win raffles. So that's why I get all these things, and I don't believe I'd have this kind of favor to get all these things if I wasn't doing what I'm doing with this YouTube channel and bringing you a little bit of the word with it. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Comment down below if you got something to say about Psalm 119. Your word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. Is it for you? Because it's not for me a lot of the time, and it should be, just like my GPS. Like, I just go push the button, take me home. Even if I'm 5 minutes away at Walmart, take me home. I may not watch it very closely. I may not always even listen to it. I might go left when it said that left is a minute longer, but it at least gives me more information than what I have. And I just don't do that. I don't. My first instinct is not to go to the word, and it should be. So, not always to go to the word, and it should be. So that challenged me when I saw it. Something I'm going to work on too. But comment down below if you have anything to say about Psalm 119. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about this. Was it this one you were going for, or was it the white one? Which one would you prefer? Because I'm not feeling this one. Tell your grandma about this YouTube channel, about the Yeezy 350 V2 Onyx. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Ah! Shoes.
shoes.
And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.